I've got my Stitch Fix, so if you want to see what 8 pieces that my stylist chose for me and how they look on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room. Bandits hounded my mom because she's making dinner, and Dexter's with Chloe. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, just fun, fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so with Stitch Fix, you do get a stylist. There is an algorithm that kind of helps flow things towards your stylist, but you do get a stylist and you can get up to 8 items. Now, if I only pick, because I get a preview, if I only pick 2 items, which I think I only picked 3 this time, I still get 8. I know they don't do that for everybody. It's maybe some beta testing. I'm not really sure, but I will get 8 in every fix unless I ask for less. And I do like that option of getting 8 because in order to get the discount, you do have to keep 5. Now you do pay a $20 styling fee. I don't pay that because I'm grandfathered into the Style Pass, which means I pay $49 for the year. And my Style Pass just renewed, so I thought it was a great time to get a fix. And you can build a fix around one particular item. So they do have this vision board, which is an AI photo of you. If you scan in a photo, they will take that photo, kind of AI it with an outfit and a background. And there was an outfit I really wanted. And so I built it around the pants. I did want a specific tank top, and that was not part of the preview, so I asked for it again. We'll see if it's in here. And I know I chose at least 1 pair of pants, a tank top, and a pair of shoes. So everything else in here is a mystery to me. I asked for a chunky bracelet, so there was one in that picture, and that particular one was not available. They didn't have any, so we'll see what we got. So the total, if I purchase everything in this fix, is $431.97. The buy 5 discount brings it down 25% to $107.99. That, brings it down $107.99 to $323.98, minus my $49 Style Pass. That would make this entire box $274.98 for 8 items. So that's a pretty good cost per item. There is a bag, and the label is separate now because you might, if you are sending back too many items, or if they're too bulky, maybe you have to exchange some things for size, you can put it back in the box if you need to. So this is now separate from the bag, so don't lose it, because anything you keep, you do have to pay for. So it's not $20 and you get all this clothes. The $20 is the styling fee, which they will take off of whatever you purchase, even if it's just 1 item. So I did choose a pair of shoes, and I'm a little hesitant because I've never found this particular brand, at least in the sneakers, to fit well, but these are sandals, so I thought I'd give them a try. All right, these are by Blowfish, and they're this nice cork heel, a nice wedge, which I don't do well with regular heels, but a wedge I can handle. Super cute. And these retail for $54. There is a piece of jewelry in here. This is by Marilyn Schiff. It is the Leah bracelet in silver. One size fits all. It does not feel like a chunky bracelet. No, it's a little tiny guy. And I do like delicate jewelry, but I was just really looking for a chunky bracelet to complete the look. Okay, so there it is. And there's how it looks on. It is nice, but it's not what I'm in the mood for, and I have tons of bracelets. So I'm just going to put this back in here. This is going to go back. All right, so now 7 items that I'll have to pick from. And this was a $42 value. So yeah, definitely not. All right, so here is my package of clothes. See a little bit of color in there. Oh, I might have picked two things. I might have picked these pants, but I wasn't sure about them. And there's one more thing in here. This is going to be a bag from Market and Spruce. Very perceptive, aren't I? Oh, now that is right up my alley, right here, yes. Oh, I see this coming home. Look, it's got this nice zipper detail, and there is a little pocket in there even. Then it has this nice little, I'm probably keeping it, so I'm going to take that off. Nice little detail. This you could probably clip like some keys to or something. Inside we have a zipper pocket here. And then like a pouch that you can put your glasses in. Another pouch over there. Oh, it's got more of that detail on the zipper pull. And then you can crossbody it. And you can make it shorter. And the outside is super soft, so it's a suede material, but I believe these are vegan leather products. And this retails for $65. All right, let's take a little look at what's in this bundle. I'll go over the prices when I have them on. From 41 Hawthorne, there is this little tank in a brown. It has this nice little detailing. It's a kind of a crochet.
What?
Then from Market and Spruce, I did choose this tank top. From Z Supply. Now this isn't the kind of thing I normally wear because it's pretty limited to the holiday time. And like a t-shirt, yeah, but a sweater, I don't really know. I mean, first of all, on 4th of July, I'm probably not wearing a sweater, probably wearing a t-shirt. So this is probably gonna go back. Okay. From Tribal, I just loved the color of these. This has got a wide leg. I think that, yes, they're petites. And then these are the pants. And I just thought these were so neat. They're a drawstring and they're a wide leg. They might be too wide of a leg, but they are a petite. And in the picture, which I'll put up for you, it just looked so cute on me. All right, well, I'm gonna get to trying stuff on and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back with that first outfit, and I chose this tank because in the picture it was a tank top with these pants, and the pants are a little bit on the long side. Like even with these heels, they're hanging down. The shoes are not terrible. Typically, Blowfish seem to run on the more narrow spectrum, and so I was a little concerned that these were going to be too narrow, but they don't seem to be too narrow. I just have to decide, like, will I get the use out of them because I can't wear them to work? And then my concern with these pants is the length. And I mean, these are supposed to be petites, so what are we doing here, people? I don't know. So the pants are by Days Denim, and it is the Madison Rigid Wide Leg Jean in Indigo, $46.97, which is a great price. I mean, I could probably look into getting them taken up, but I don't know how much that would cost. My mom hems things, but not denim. The tank is by Market and Spruce, and it is the sleeveless ringer knit tank in navy, and that's $29. Also a pretty great price. And again, the shoes by Blowfish, they are the Aurora Wedge in taupe 54. And here it is with that bag that I really, really like. I think it's a little pricey, but I think I have to keep it. Okay, on to the next outfit. Okay, so I just switched out tops to put on this crocheted brown one with the little flower detail. And it's a great color. It's going to go with a lot of things, so I can definitely see this being a wardrobe staple. It goes nice under some nice cardigans, so I can definitely see this as an option. This is the 41 Hawthorne Social Set Halter in brown, $49. Okay, let's try on that last outfit. And here is that last outfit. So this sweater is crop. I cannot lift my arms because y'all are gonna see my belly. So that's a definite no for me. Plus, like I say, it's kind of holiday specific, right? Like this isn't something you wear every day of the week. If it were longer and it didn't have the design and it was just the white with the red, I would consider it. But it also has this kind of fit that's not very flattering on my body type. So this is definitely going back. And here's a better look at those shoes because these pants are the perfect length. These pants are so comfortable, so cozy. These are a definite keeper. So the pants are by Tribal and they are the Comfort Stretch wide leg pants and they are $78. And then the sweater by Z Supply is the sleeveless Patriot sweater in off-white, $68. And like that's just too much for something that you would maybe get a few wears out of because it's just very kind of holiday themed. So yes, you could wear it on Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day weekend, but in between that it's just too expensive for that. Plus 4th of July, you're definitely not wearing a sweater, and for me it's crop and that's a big no thank you. So I'm keeping these pants. I'm keeping the blue tank top. I'm going to keep the jeans. And so my fifth item will either be these shoes or the brown tank top. Not sure. And when I play back, I may decide that, oh no, I don't like that. I like this better. So we'll see. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What were your favorite items? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.